Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? Yeah, how you doing? Hope you are good. Today video is different. It's gonna be different. Yeah, you get me. I want to do a little things different. I already taught you guys how to make beats and how to no, how to make beat before and how to sing your song and how to sing your song properly, the vocal and stuff, and how to distribute it through 1 p.m. But today I want to teach you guys how to make beat. Easy way to make beat. This is just like how to make afrobeat because I'm singing afrobeat, so that's what I can teach you guys how to make afrobeat the most easy way and most like this is like let me call it a secret. So let me just show you in your phone. No, it's not anything. Let me just show you. Let me just get that to it, guy. I can't talk much. You get me? Yeah, let's go. Let's go to our bad lab. Let's go to our bad lab. Get that sample. Grab that sample. Don't create your own sample. You just enter here. You touch gender. Is Afrobeat. There's lot of genre here, but just enter Afrobeat. Okay, Afrobeat. Can you see that, right? Yeah, let's get it. Guys, we are done with the drumming, so let us listen. Okay, that's what I'm amazing to me. It sounds amazing, bro. Like for real, this is a professional Afrobeat drum. I just do that here. So let's find let's carry a sample sound from their boss. This is a new one. Let me check it. Let me check it. Let me shift here because I want to start it. You get me? Pay attention. It sound amazing, bro. For real. Wow. This is amazing, but we are not done yet. You get me? This is just the beat and the instrument. We are not done yet. It's actually amazing, bro. Like I will make it and I will sell it. You want to buy us? Come and say you want to buy, I will sell it to you cheap. But it's very easy. Now let's go. Let's make. Let's bring those soon. Get me? Go to my face. You can also. This will make it more perfect and more better. You get me? Wow. This is amazing, bro. Let's vibe. And you see, I make a instrumental like in around 3 minutes. I make an instrumental, but if I want to make it more better, more perfect, I will just add maybe piano. You can add piano in bandlab. Once you have been watching my video, I show you how you can add piano and all those stuff. You can even add trumpet if you want to add. There's a sample pack where you can add trumpet. You can add a lot of things in bandlab. It's like very easy. This is just which I just make in bandlab. I I don't even think about it. I just make it. But if I say let me make full beat and a professional beat, maybe it take me like 2 hours, but I'll make it. But always pay attention to my video. If you want to learn how to make beats more, subscribe, like, pay attention, get me, because I drop video every week. Every week I drop one video every week. You get what I'm making up no see me finish. So no comment rubbish, if you comment rubbish, you know, it concern me. Peace out.